Movement has been pre-cleaned on the 6-size United States watch movement. It's time to continue with the cleaning process. I'll start by pegging all the pivot holes, using pegwood. This bundle is from France. Pegwood is made from specially selected woods. The quality of the hardwood ensures that they maintain their profile and do not split or peel like other types of wooden sticks. It's most commonly made from lime wood and orange wood that has been dried. It's used to clean pivot holes, pinions, watch case backs, watch case rims, and to dry hands and clean between bracelet rings. They can be sharpened to a point for cleaning out pivot holes. They can also be shaped into a flat edge for holding down springs during assembly and disassembly. The point is twirled around the hole to be cleaned to remove dirt. A new point is cut, and the operation is repeated until the pegwood is clean when removed from the hole. This point is clean, so cleaning of the pivot holes is completed. These oil deposits on the surface of the jewels indicate this watch hasn't been serviced for quite some time. Pegwood does a great job cleaning these deposits off. Use one blunt piece to hold the watch plate and the other to do the cleaning. Easy way to prevent fingerprints while cleaning. Install the balance wheel hole jewel. Pegwood helps to align the jewel in its seat. I'll push it home with a jewel pusher. Jewel pushers have a relief countersink in the ends, so only the brass setting of the jewel is contacted. Now the cap jewel. A small drop of oil first. Winding and setting gears. Pallet fork. Pallet fork cock. Small drop of oil on the pallets. Escape wheel, fourth wheel, third wheel, center wheel, I'll put a dust cover on the movement while I locate a mainspring. The United States Watch Company went out of business in about 1901. Parts are not very plentiful for them. Supply houses don't have them on any parts lists. For the mainspring, a close match will need to be found. The width of the original one is 1.93 millimeters or 10 Dennison. Strength is 0.22 millimeters. Length is 16 inches. I generally try to keep an assortment of common ones in stock. This 6-size Waltham spring is a direct match. A nice Swiss-made white alloy spring. These outlast and outperform the old blued carbon springs. It even comes with the correct T-end on it, same as the original. This old one is embossed with WW Company. I believe it was made by the Waltham Watch and Tooling Company. There's an endless array of mainspring winders out there. This is an older one and still works fine. Spring is mounted on this arbor, and this bar is the spring lock. This is a newer one that fits 3 different sizes of barrels. An 8-barrel set. These are adjustable to different sizes of barrels. A K&D number 125 set. And a K&D number 128 set. These fit larger barrel sizes, good for pocket watches. When the old spring is put next to a new one, it's obvious it's time to replace the old one. Next, the T-end needs to be checked and fitted if needed. One end of the T fits into the barrel cap, and the other end fits into the barrel. Now to check the new ones. This part of the T will need to be worked down to size. Now to complete the balance wheel assembly. I first mistakenly identified this balance wheel cap jewel as damaged. Closer inspection shows it's an inclusion, not damage. High-quality jewels made from sapphire have inclusions of different types in them. This type is called a feather. Actually, there are 3 feathers in this one. Inclusions are a natural consequence of crystal growth. You can see the polished surface is continuous, free of any fissures or cracks. It's a solid piece of sapphire and good to use as a bearing surface. So it's time to assemble the balance wheel. Pallet fork has some power to it and it's locking just fine. Nice, the balance wheel is in motion and it's not even fastened down yet. Has excellent motion. I can tell it's going to be a nice strong runner. Now to fit a new dial washer. Get a full wind on it. Beautiful watch. Set the time, let it run for a couple days, and see how it times out. A nice 6-size pocket watch made by the United States Watch Company.